More than once, the Caudabe Sheath has been voted Case of the Year, so I wanted to check it out for myself. Caudabe sent me two colors, gray and what they call celestial blue. The sheath is drop tested at 6.6 feet, is MagSafe compatible, and features a textured grip. All of the packaging is very clean and simple, but I want to see the case. This is a slim case with a very clean and minimal design, the only branding on this case being this tiny Caudabe logo. The inside is lined with microfiber to keep your phone scratch free. The bottom has the texture removed to increase comfort for your pinky finger. The buttons are what I'd call an open design, which allows them to click similar to the actual iPhone buttons. Here's what they sound like. The fit of the sheath is very snug, which makes it pretty satisfying to put on and gives me confidence that it's not going to slip at all. With a screen protector installed, you'll have a tiny bit of lip, and without it, the amount of lip would be just the right amount. You get a small lip around the camera to keep your lenses off surfaces. I feel like I'm saying lip a lot. The area around the receiver isn't a cutout, it's more of a cover, which just helps to keep the receiver debris free. The charging port easily fits all sizes of cables. There's this little bump here. I'm not sure what it's for. Maybe standing up the case? Hey! Alright, let's take a quick look at the blue sheath. It also comes in black, purple, or red. The sheath is made from Shocklite, which is a proprietary shock-absorbing material from Caudabe. The grip of this case is perfect. It doesn't collect dust or pull your pockets inside out. You just have to feel it to experience it. Well, that's the sheath. Links in the description. Subscribe, and I'll see you again.